steelwork fixings. And by steelwork fixings at Lindapter, we mean fixing any bit of steel to any other bit of steel. So it can be a beam-to-beam connection, a beam-to-column connection, something like heavy-duty pipe supports, even things like lightweight cable trays. So anywhere where you've got some secondary steelwork that you want to fix to existing steelwork, that comes under our umbrella of steelwork fixings. Now, within this range of steelwork fixings, we can divide it into two broad categories when we're looking at them. So we've got a range of fixings that are for use in tension, and another range of fixings that are predominantly for use in slip loading applications. So these clamps are designed predominantly for slip loading applications, so like the one you can see on the right. Again, within this range, there's three different types of clamps: the Type AF, the AAF, which is an adjustable clamp, and the CF, which is a bit different because it actually hooks onto the flange of the beam rather than resting on it. All of these are available again in different sizes to suit whatever safe working loads you need to achieve, and they're all in a hot dip gal finish. When we're developing a clamp, you can see it's good to compare kind of what we're developing and how we're moving on from what we've come from. So this picture just shows the Type A in direct comparison with the Type AF. So you can see the Type AF is a much larger clamp. Most importantly, the indentations on the nose are designed, and you can see how those will resist slip, resist friction more than the indentations on the nose of the Type A. Now, once we've developed a new clamp, the next thing we have to do is test it. And we developed the Type AF predominantly for use in slip loading applications or in friction. But we also tested it against the Type A in tension. And we found that in a tensile application, the Type AF massively outperformed the Type A. So if you came to us with maybe a high tensile loading application, we might recommend you actually use the AF in tension rather than the Type A, purely because you could use maybe smaller bolt sizes and certainly fewer clamps to get that same tensile safe working load. Now, it also, when we tested it in slip, which is what it was predominantly designed for, you can see the Type AF massively outperformed the Type A.